All right, action. Hey YouTube, it's your girl Loaferette, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today, as the title suggests, we got some makeup. Some makeup. A brand sent me some makeup. I've been getting packages from this brand called Catrice. I had no idea that I was on their PR list. However, in my Instagram DMs, we did speak about me being on the PR list. Usually I just pay attention to my emails, and I missed that completely. They have sent me their new foundations. I couldn't believe that I got foundation type products, and usually I do hair, right? I do my hair, sometimes I do other people's hair, but have we just entered the beauty community? Maybe just a little bit, I don't know. So for those of you who are new to this channel, just want to let you guys know I am not a makeup guru. I just do my makeup for fun. I try to use different techniques that I've picked up here on YouTube. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do my makeup how I know how to do it, or how I like to see it. This is the foundation right here. So because they sent this to me, I said, you know what, let me see if they have other kind of products that I can use on their website. So I went on their website and I realized that they have like everything that you might need to get your face done. So I reached out to them and I was like, hey, can you guys send me products for me to do my full entire face? And y'all, we got everything. Can you guys believe it? We got everything we need to do a full face. So if you'd like to see me do a full face while reviewing Catrice Cosmetics products, please keep on watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. All right, let's get to the video. All right, y'all, so they went ahead and sent me these foundation shades right here. They sent me 4 of them. Oh, wrong way. They sent me 4 of them, and I'm super excited to try it. Not sure which one is gonna match. I did go on their website and look at the foundation. It is the True Skin foundation. It is brand new and it's only $11. I think the only thing for me is that the foundation range needs to be a little bit more, because they're missing quite a big demographic of Black people with really dark skin tones, and I feel like the jump is a bit much from the website I'm looking at. So they have a total of 20 foundation shades, which is pretty cool, but I think in today's world we're more used to the 40s and the 50s, so I'm expecting them to work on that. I also went on their Instagram page and I feel like we're not being represented enough, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that review, and I hope I am featured on their Instagram page. Let's get into it. The foundation is True Skin Hydrating Foundation, and it is hyaluronic acid longwear, so that's pretty interesting. I'm gonna go in and swatch these foundation shades. All right, so this is the first foundation shade. It is Warm Cinnamon and it's 065. I love the fact that they have a pump. The consistency is a little different for me, but it's cool nevertheless. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch that, or swatch that. I can't speak, y'all. So this is the first shade. Y'all know this ain't my shade, but I'm just swatching it for you guys. All right, the next one is in the number 070, and it is Warm Caramel. Definitely not my shade either. This one is a bit too light for me, but maybe my neck. Nah, B, still not your shade. All right, the next color is Neutral Pecan, or Pecan, however anyone else says it. This one looks like it might be my shade, but I feel like it's a bit of a jump. I feel like I can work with this one. What do you guys think? And then we have here Cool Espresso. This one looks a bit red, so I'm not sure how that's gonna look. This might be my summer color. Yeah, it is red. So you guys see the colors right here. I feel like the gradient is not the best in my opinion, because it really jumps. It feels like it can actually seep into your skin, which is pretty cool. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and use Warm Pecan. The Cool Espresso might be a little bit too red for me. I do like the bottle. Seems pretty expensive. I'm gonna be using their Prime and Fine Poreless Blur Primer. Ooh, it's really pasty. I'm not sure how I'm feeling about this primer. It feels very powdery, like it goes from liquid to powder. It's a little weird. Maybe it's supposed to blur something out. It feels very drying. Like I feel like my face is hella dry right now. I don't know how the foundation is going to stick to this, but we shall see. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Gleam Body Radiance from Melanie Mills. This wasn't sent to me. No, it's just something that I use in my routine every single time because it gives me a glow from within. So let's do the neutral pecan. It looked like a dot, no. Okay. Listen, honestly, it reminds me of Fenty Beauty. This feels just like skin. It feels like I don't have anything on. I feel like it blended out really, really nicely. But do you guys see the finish? It looks good to me, shoot. I'm loving the finish of the foundation. It looks so good. So for concealer, I'm going to be using their waterproof concealers. They did send me 3 shades. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use. So it is a liquid camouflage high coverage concealer. That's really good. And it's waterproof, non-transfer. So we have a concealer in the number 060 in the shade Latte Macchiato. We also have 068 Caramel Beige and 065 Rosy Ash. Yeah, we ain't finna do rosy. Not trying to be all ashy. Okay, I'm gonna swatch them on my hand so you guys can see because I'm not trying to ruin this base right now. Let's start with Latte Macchiato. It's not as thick as I thought it would have been. This is Latte Macchiato. Pretty light. Next up, we're gonna go with Caramel Beige. Ooh, I like that one. That one looks really, really good. So you see the two. And then Miss Ashy. Oh my gosh, that is white. Ooh, Miss Ash. I feel like this is closer to my skin tone, so I don't know if I want to use that. And I feel like this is too light, so I think I'm gonna just mix these two. Y'all, I've been talking this whole time and I was not recording to show you guys the concealers, so I'm gonna have to do that all over again. And I've already gone ahead and blended out the concealers. It looks so good, but we're gonna do it again because I want to build up a little bit on there. I'm gonna be putting the lighter one on the end and right here near my tear dots. I've been seeing that a lot on TikTok. Then I'll put the darker one in the center. Oh, do you guys see that? That blend is crazy. Like, it blends out. I hate when there's like a harsh line here. Oh my god, that shit kills me. Okay, so the only bronzer that we got was this luminizing bronzer. I'm gonna go ahead and work that in my face. It looks darker on camera than what it really is. Like, it has some sparkle in there for sure. All right, y'all, so I obviously forgot to set everywhere that I put the concealer, so I'm gonna go ahead and set using the Maybelline loose setting powder. I'll put a link to it in the description box down below. I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty bronzer because it is darker and I feel like I need to kind of cut out my cheekbones a little bit more, so we're gonna do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Catrice Cosmetics blush box in the shade Blueberry. Y'all, I love this shade. This is my shade. Forgot the nose. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera because they didn't send me any of that, and then I'll be right back. Next up is this Orchid Dusk Palette from Catrice. And I'm going to be taking this brown color to dust all over my eyelids. Alright, next up is the Illuminating Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Fixing Spray. Alright, so I do not like the scent of this primer or fixing spray or whatever it's called. I'm not a fan of the scent. However, the finish, the finish, guys, I'm literally glowing. Yeah. Next up, I'm going to be using their Sungasm. Oh, that's pretty cool. Their Sungasm face and body highlighter. I like the shade. However, I wish it was a little darker. I'm not sure how it's going to come out on my skin, but we shall see. Okay. I'm a fan. Yo, I'm a fan. I forgot to tell you guys, I went ahead and did my eyeliner off camera because I did not get those type of products, and I also went ahead and put on mascara. I like the subtleness of it. Like, it's like you can build up on it and it doesn't seem like, you know, you're shining bright like a diamond. But the dewiness of my skin, this is cute. So I'm going to be using this shade in the palette as a highlighter for right here in my tear dot. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips now. They didn't send me a lip liner. However, that ombre lip is going right now, and that's what I want to do. I've been doing that quite often. But they did send me the Volumizing Extreme Lip Booster in Hot Chili Extract. I used the MAC lip liner in the shade Chestnut. Get you guys some. It's so good. Well, my lips are heating up. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, finish getting ready, put on some lashes, finish up this look, and I'll let you guys know my final thoughts. This is the final look. I went ahead and took my scarf off. Nothing too special. However, I will be posting it on Instagram pretty soon, so you guys can check me out there. But overall, my face is looking really, really good. The lipstick or the lip plumper, my lips are hurting. It feels like when you eat really, really spicy food and the spice is still on your lips. That's how that feels. Love the foundation. I believe I'm going to be using the foundation quite often because it reminds me of Fenty Beauty, and I love that kind of, you know, your skin, but better, you know, a foundation that sinks into your skin and not necessarily sits on top of your skin. Absolutely unequivocally love the setting spray. I do not love the scent. However, I love the glow that I'm getting. It's so cute. It's so cute. I freaking love it. I'm not a fan of the primer. I didn't like how powdery it felt. Did it blur my skin? Perhaps, but I just didn't like the feel. It just felt like powder. But I'm glad that it's not looking like I'll get some flashback. I'll try my best to kind of put some pictures here in the event that I remember to take the flashback pictures, just in case we have it. I don't think there's any flashback, but if there is, y'all see the picture right here. I'm not a fan of the bronzers either. It wasn't dark enough for me. I felt like it was just a little bit too light for my skin tone. Something a little bit darker would have been really, really good. The highlighter, the Sungasm. I love the highlighter actually. It's very subtle, but it has a punch to it that I really, really like. The concealers, I love how the concealers blended out. I love the fact that I could have packed on some more and some more. I love the fact that I can put it wherever and it didn't remove the makeup as well. The lip gloss, do y'all see it plumped up my lips? I don't know if my lips are plump, but I don't like how burning my lips feel. Oh, the blush. I feel like the blush kind of left, right? It left a little bit. Not seeing the blush is how I would have loved to see the blush kind of shine through some more. But overall, I loved how my face came out. If you're the type of person that like foundations that sink into your skin, this foundation is for you. The smell of the foundation, there's no smell, at least not for me. But as it relates to the shades, I feel like they need some more shades in there, about 10 more shades in there. However, I'm happy that I was given the opportunity to review the foundation as a Black YouTuber. And let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite. Which one do you think that you would even pick up? All right, y'all, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Also, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you do not miss another upload. And also follow me on all my social media accounts, Loaferette, at Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. All right, I'll see you guys in the next part. Enjoy the bloopers. So they have a total of 20 oh god. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm so not used to this. Oh my god. So let's do the neutral pecan. Oh! Y'all, I just opened the whole thing by mistake and everything went everywhere. So the only bronzer we got was this one, which is a luminizing. Oh my god.